15 surprising stats about robot, in detail. Sure. Here are 15 surprising stats about robots. 1. In 2020, the global market size for industrial robots was valued at $16.2 billion and is projected to reach $41.2 billion by 2026. 2. According to a report by the International Federation of Robotics, IFR, there were approximately 2.7 million industrial robots operating in factories worldwide in 2019. 3. The IFR also predicts that the number of industrial robots in operation will reach 4 million by 2022. 4. In 2019, the automotive industry was the largest user of industrial robots, accounting for 34% of total robot installations. 5. The electronics industry was the second largest user of industrial robots, accounting for 18% of total robot installations. 6. According to a report by McKinsey, automation could increase global productivity growth by 0.8% to 1.4% annually. 7. The use of robots in manufacturing can reduce labor costs by up to 16%, according to a report by the Boston Consulting Group. 8. The global market size for service robots was valued at $17.6 billion in 2019 and is expected to reach $37.2 billion by 2026. 9. The healthcare sector is expected to be the largest user of service robots, accounting for 38% of total robot installations by 2022. 10. The IFR predicts that the number of professional service robots, e.g., medical robots, cleaning robots, will increase from 5.5 million in 2018 to 13 million in 2022. 11. In 2018, China accounted for 36% of the world's total robot installations, making it the largest market for industrial robots. 12. The IFR predicts that Asia will continue to be the largest market for industrial robots, with China, Japan, and South Korea accounting for 70% of total robot installations by 2022. 13. The use of collaborative robots, cobots, is growing rapidly, with the global market size for cobots expected to reach $9.7 billion by 2025. 14. The automotive and electronics industries are the largest users of cobots, accounting for 40% and 29% of cobot installations, respectively. 15. According to a report by PwC, artificial intelligence (AI) and robotics could add $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. These stats demonstrate the significant impact that robots and automation are having on various industries and the global economy as a whole. With continued advancements in technology, we can expect to see even more surprising stats in the future.